Hey guys, today we are making a bookmark to mark your book pages. You will need a square sheet, fold it into half, then the bottom end to the top end, fold it and press it. Do the same with the other side. It shall look like a diamond. Then reopen it. Fold the inside page into half. Then which page you have opened, tuck it inside the half folded page. Do the same with the other side. And your bookmark is ready. You can decorate it however you want. I'm gonna decorate it like an animal. Can you guess which animal am I gonna decorate it? You will be guessing it very soon. After you have drawn it, you can outline it with a marker. You can use a thick marker or even a thin marker like sketch pen. It depends on what are you decorating your bookmark as. Now, after you're done with the marking, you have to cut 2 circles for its ears and color it black. Then you can stick it on top of its head, as shown in the screen. And your bookmark is ready. It's a panda. You can make many different types of bookmark like a rabbit or an tiger also. You can make it even smaller. Then how to mark it in a book? Just put it inside the top end of the book and close it. You can easily find the page you have marked. If you want, you can even mark another page with another bookmark like this, and even another page. Then when you close it, it looks like this. It's very easy to open the page you have marked like this. You no need to flip over pages and pages to find the page you have stopped. If you like it, try to make it at home. Subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Bye.